Hey guys, what's going on? So I was given these truck bed liners several months ago, and I didn't know what I was going to do with them until now. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be turning these into hugelkultur beds. If you're not familiar with hugelkultur, is you just put logs, bigger logs, smaller logs, then debris, carbon debris such as leaves and sticks and stuff like that, then compost and topsoil, and you plant in that. As the bottom logs rot, you get 3 or 4 years out of them. It holds moisture, and then it puts nutrients into the beds. So what I'm going to do first, I put these side by side and take that pile of dirt over there and pile around them, kind of make it look better and to get rid of that pile of dirt, and then I'll start adding logs into it. Okay, I got the big logs put in the beds, and then I went and got a load of logs that range from like 2 to 3 inches all the way down to kindling size. My battery's about ready to die, so I'm going to go ahead and load this up. And then we have compost and then topsoil. And here's the finished product. We actually ended up with 3 hugelkultur beds. We have the 2 up here that are in the truck bed liners, and then 1 down here that is not. This one doesn't have as much debris and sticks in it as these 2 do up here. I'm not sure if I mentioned, the reason for the truck bed liners is to hold the water down around the logs. That way it'll hold the moisture in when it rains, and it won't shed off as much, and that way you don't have to water as much as you will down here or in the conventional garden. Down here I dug the pit out a little bit, so it should hold water well. I'll give an update on this to see how it does. As always, thanks for watching.